Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to cook potato and brinjal vegetable which is called aloo bangan, for which I have taken 300 gram of brinjal, cut it long, soak it in a water to avoid its oxidize. 1 large potato, cut it long, soak it in a water. Also we will be needed 1 medium onion chopped, 1 tomato shredded, coriander for garnishing, chopped garlic and 2 green chili chopped. It's optional as per the taste. Also we need half tablespoon of carom seed, half tablespoon of garam masala, salt as per taste, 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. We will be cooking this vegetable in mustard oil because it's healthy and tasty. So now friends, let's start the recipe. We'll hot the pan. Once the pan is hot, add mustard oil and allow the mustard oil to be hot. I am using here mustard oil because it enhances the taste in brinjal. Then once the oil is hot, we'll add carom seed. Allow it to turn brown. Once it brown, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you don't like carom seed, you can also add fenugreek seed, which is also called methi seed. Once the garlic is cooked golden brown, we have to add chopped onion into it and keep on stirring it so that the garlic don't burn, because once the garlic is cooked, it starts sticking to the pan. So to avoid it, we have to keep on stirring it once we add onion into it. Now if you can see, onions are cooked and it's turned golden brown. Now we will add tomato and mix it well, and we'll add turmeric powder. Again stir it and allow it to cook till the tomatoes are cooked and the oil starts separating. Now if you can see, tomatoes are cooked, oil is separated. Now we will add all our dry spices. We'll start with coriander powder, red chili powder, and then we'll start stirring it. Here we are not adding water, so we need to keep on stirring it. Now we will add garam masala and salt, and again we will stir. We will stir till the oil starts separating from the spices and the onion garlic. Then it will be cooked. We have to stir it on a medium flame, otherwise all the masala and this onion garlic will get burned. Now if you can see, oil started separating, which means tomatoes, onion are cooked, even the spices are cooked. Now we will add green chili and we will add our cut potatoes. We have to add potatoes first because it takes more time to cook as compared to brinjal. So we will add potato, give a stir and allow it to cook for approx 3 minutes with a lid so that the potato become little soft. If we add potato and brinjal together, it will be a soggy. So we have to add now if you can see, potatoes are cooked. We'll give a stir and now we will add brinjal into it. After adding brinjal, again we will stir and coat all the masala into it, so the brinjal absorb the spices and it become flavorsome. Now we will close the lid and allow it cook for 5 to 7 minutes till the brinjal is cooked and the potatoes are also cook. After 7 minutes, if you can see, the oil is separated, potatoes are cooked, and even the brinjal, if you will see, it's soft. Now it's a time for final touch. We'll garnish it with coriander leaves, and now it's ready to serve. You can serve it with chapati, paratha as per your choice. It's a very quick recipe and get ready within a time frame of 15 minutes. So friends, if you like my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.